A few months ago, you probably noticed that GROK switched to a paid model. Overnight access to this tool became locked behind a $30 per month subscription, with the requirement to link your credit card. For many content creators who were using it daily to produce videos, visuals, and high-quality AI content, this came as a real blow. $30 a month is a budget that not everyone is willing to spend, especially when you are just starting out or simply looking to create content without breaking the bank. And yet, look at these videos. They were entirely generated by GROK AI. The result is impressive: the video quality, the camera movements, the visual details. All of this was produced by GROK. But here is what very few people know yet: these videos were generated completely for free. No subscription, no credit card, no restrictive limitations whatsoever. In this video, I am going to reveal to you the secret that allows you to use GROK AI for free, and even generate videos going well beyond 6 seconds. If that interests you, make sure you stay until the very end of this video, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you create content. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming videos on the best free AI tools. Also join our Telegram channel, the link is in the description, to be the first to know about new free opportunities in the world of AI. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. The tool we are going to explore together in this tutorial is called Kie.ai. This is the platform that will allow us to access GROK completely for free, and you can find it easily by doing a quick search from your browser, whether on mobile or on desktop. To get started, head over to Kie.ai. The link is available directly in the description of this video. Once on the platform, you can sign in using your email address or connect directly with your Google account. I click on Get Started and I land directly on the GROK generation interface. The interface is clean, intuitive, and immediately ready to use. What is remarkable here is that you have direct access to the GROK generation engine without going through their official paid platform. You benefit from the same generation power, the same creative capabilities, all of this without spending a single cent. Take a moment to explore the interface. You will see that it brings together several very powerful generation modes that we are going to test together. Let's now get into the practical side. Among the different generation modes available on the platform, I start with the text-to-video mode, the most straightforward and easiest to use. I clear the automatically generated prompt and paste my own prompt to have full control over the result. I then select my aspect ratio. I keep the duration to 6 seconds and I click on Run. The generation only takes a few seconds, and here is the result. Look at the quality of this output, the smoothness of the movement, the visual consistency, the level of detail. This is exactly the type of quality you get with GROK, and all of this completely for free. Once you are happy with the result, simply click on the download icon and your video will be saved directly to your device, ready to be published or integrated into your edit. Let's now go even further with the image-to-video mode, one of the most powerful features of this tool. I remove the existing image from the interface and import my own reference image. I then enter my animation prompt to precisely describe the movement and atmosphere I want to achieve. And this time, I am going to increase the duration to 10 seconds to get a longer and more cinematic sequence. I click on Run, and here is the result. Our 10-second video has been successfully generated, for a cost of only 16 credits. And look at the output, the camera movements, the multi-shots, the smoothness of the transitions between scenes. It is simply incredible for a free tool. The level of quality far exceeds what you would expect from a platform with no subscription. And now, here is what makes Kie.ai truly exceptional compared to most free alternatives. You can generate videos of up to 30 seconds. 30 seconds of GROK quality AI video, completely for free. This is a duration that very few free tools offer. Most limit you to 6 or 8 seconds maximum. Here, 30 seconds for only 48 credits. Let's now talk about the free credits. As soon as you sign up, the platform automatically assigns you 80 free credits. These credits are available immediately, and you can use them at any time, with no time constraint. With your 80 free credits, you can therefore generate a total of approximately 50 seconds of video, for example 5 videos of 10 seconds or 8 videos of 6 seconds with a few credits still left in reserve. This is an extremely generous amount for a completely free tool, and more than enough to produce professional quality content. I have generated several other videos to give you an idea of what is possible to create. I will let you discover them on screen and explore all the possibilities for yourself.
Police! Stop right there! This way! He's heading for the thicket!
Now, the question everyone is asking, what do you do when your credits run out? The answer is simple, just create another account. Head over to a temp mail website, copy the temporary email address that is generated for you and use it to sign in on Kie.ai. Once connected, you will automatically receive your 80 new free credits, and you can start generating again immediately. Repeat the process as many times as you need and generate videos in a completely unlimited way, without ever paying anything. I invite you to test Kie.ai for yourself and come back to the comments to share your feedback. Your thoughts genuinely matter to me. If this video brought you value, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment to support me and let me know what you think. The direct link to the platform as well as the link to our Telegram channel are both available in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon.